I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install AWS CLI on this Windows machine. So in Google search box, write there AWS CLI download. Then you can go on this Amazon.com site. Thereafter, scroll down. Then you can get here Windows, or let's download their MSI file. So file is now downloading. This link you need to click this. Here 39 MB is the file size. So this done here. Let's click on this in folder. Double click on this MSI file. Or then here you can get installation wizard that's come there. Click on next. I accept. Next. Next. And now you need to click on this install button. Now here installing AWS command line interface v2, and currently this is updating. So copying new files 1 directory 9 site 6. So this done here. Now thereafter let's open the command prompt. Here let's write AWS help. Then you can get this all. Okay, AWS minus help. This is not working. Okay. So let's use the create command. Check there. Let's check the version that I install AWS minus version. Then you can see AWS 2.28 version that install with here displaying the Python also Python version. Now if I write there AWS, so here AWS for help you need to use their command. So why is that not working? So AWS then give the command then help. So right there AWS then help. So this all you can get there. Help related things, auto offs. When you press enter, then you can get this all helping things. Okay, so this is how we can install this AWS on this Windows machine. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.